'Tis the season to shovel. Here are some tips for doing it right. First up, choose the right one. There are basically 4 different types. Standard shovels that have straight shafts and a rectangular curved blade to scoop up the snow without having to bend down too far. Ergonomic, take on different shapes, and are best for anyone with pain or mobility issues because of their unique design. A pusher or wide shovel is meant mostly for sliding along the pavement and pushing the snow out of the way rather than scooping it up and placing it elsewhere. And telescopic, which have a retractable handle and are more lightweight, great when you're on the go. Okay, so now we have our shovels in check, we're ready to have at it. A hack, spray it first with cooking spray to prevent the snow from sticking to the shovel. Next, remember shoveling takes serious exertion, just like any exercise, so watch your form. Stand with feet hip distance apart, keep your back flat, and bend at the knees rather than your back. And don't shovel too much snow at once to avoid straining yourself. Watch the timing. If you can, try to shovel within 2 to 4 inches of it falling, and keep up with it every couple of hours so it doesn't get ahead of you. The best time to shovel is in sunlight when it's warmest out, and before it's been compounded by being driven or walked on. Finally, when you're done, keep your walkway safe. If someone like the mail carrier or a guest falls on your property, they could turn around and sue you, so spread some sand or even kitty litter down to prevent slipping. Can't make it to the store? Make your own concoction with what you have around the house. Mix together 1 teaspoon of dish soap, a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol, and half a gallon of water in a bucket, and you're good to go.